let's learn how to send crypto with email on Binance. So this is actually very easy. We already did that video, similar video with phone number. I will show you this tutorial again just in case. So let us start by opening Binance application. We will have to go to send section. To go there, we will click on wallet, then click on funding, that's the last in a row. Now a new window will open. Click these three dots near transfer and click on pay, that's in middle. Now dashboard will open. You will have to go to this yellow send button, and as you can see here will be automatically set email or phone. The only difference is between email and phone sending is for phone you type phone number, you see, and for email you type some random email. Okay, let's continue now to process. Here we are. This will be a new window, enter amount. Here you will set what coin you want to send to someone. Let's pick some random. Here you will enter amount, and here is an optional note or message. You don't need to send this. And that's it, and see you in the next video.